Alright guys, we actually have a comeback here today. Just did this Forester radiator and one of the transmission lines is leaking good and tight. If I tightened it anymore, I'd risk damaging the plastic. And here we are with a brand new replacement radiator from O'Reilly's. And let me back up a little bit here. I've had good luck with these. They're lifetime warranties. But there's a big old nick right there. I know it might be hard to see, but there's a nick right there. And that is what's causing the leak. I'm going to return this one. I'm not even going to install it because I don't want it to come back. And the problem with it is I've already filed it down enough that it's going to be oblong. So I just need to stop because it's so deep and just start over. Okay, so the point to this is we really need to check this stuff before we install it. I should have double checked it and will learn my lesson and not be reliant on what we think is really good products. I'm not knocking O'Reilly's radiators. Like I said, they're actually better than most. And with the warranty that they have, which is a lifetime warranty, it's hard to go wrong as long as you're not having to change it all the time.
The next morning, radiator number 3,
Stripped.
beyond repair. I ordered 2 more for the next morning and the manager ordered 6. Luckily the next radiator was good. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, please hammer that like and subscribe button.